Welcome guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how you can take power shot on the FIFA 23. Okay, so first of all we are going to use the left one button and the R1 button and also the wheel. So the three buttons, and take a look. We have to click and hold these three buttons at the same time, just like that. When you click and hold left one and the R1 before wheel, you will take normal shot. So we have to click and hold them at the same time. Take a look one more time how it works. So I'm running into the goal, click and hold them, and as you can see, the power shot was taken. There is this special animation when you try to take this kind of the shot. It's definitely bigger delay than the normal shot. Take a look, normal shot. He just shot immediately, and with the power shot, as you can see, he makes like 2-3 steps more until he take a shot. So yeah, that's all for this video. As you can see, that's very simple. Just remember to hold left one and R1 and wheel at the same time, and you will be able to take the power shot on the FIFA 23. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.